Hello, business owner. In this step, using our delivery partner feature. As you can see here I have already received an order from Azhar, and the order amount is 20 rupees, and he has paid me online. Before proceeding ahead, let's just understand the entire flow, how it works. First of all, you need to verify your store KYC before using any of these features like online payment, delivery partner, or something like this. So in this case, I have already verified my store KYC. Before using delivery partner feature, you also need to verify delivery partner option. For verifying delivery partner option, you just need to give your email address here. Once you give your email address, your store will be automatically verified for delivery feature. Moving forward, whenever you deliver an item to customer's doorstep, the courier partner fees will be charged from your wallet balance. As you can see here, currently I'm having 100 rupees in my wallet balance. So I had used, you can see this message here, I had used 75 rupees for shipment of my order. Order number was 1605. Later I cancelled this order, so I received back 75 rupees to my wallet balance. So this is how entire wallet flow works. Now going back to order, as you can see here, I have received a new order. Before accepting the order, there is two things. One is self delivery. In this case, you need to give the date and time, and then you need to deliver the order to customer's doorstep with your delivery partner or by yourself. But above that, we are having an amazing feature. You don't need to do anything, everything is automated here. Once I click on deliver through partner, the system will automatically get my pickup location, because this location I had given while signing up into the application. So this is my pickup location. In the weight, it is asking for in kg, that is why I am giving 0.5, which means half kg or 500 gram. In centimeter, I will give 14, breadth I will give 12, in height I will give 12. Once I hit submit here, it will show me entire details of the shipping partners. As you can see here above, you are seeing my pin code and my cities, and here you will see the customer's pin code and the customer city. Mind it, you can deliver it to entire India anywhere. Here you will see the list of recommended items. One more suggestions here, it is recommended to do this for online orders. For COD, the charges will be a little high. The reason why, the delivery guy will take the cash from that guy, and then they will submit to their company, and then the company will pay us, and then we will pay you. So it's a lengthy process, it will cost you a little higher. But once the order is prepaid, nothing to worry, it is very cheap. As you can see here, the system is recommending me Shadowfax surface, which will cost 39 rupees, and the estimation delivery time is by 8 August. Once I click here, it will show me my current wallet balance and then the delivery fee, followed by when the item will be delivered. Once I click on proceed, you can see here transaction complete, and then your shipment order has been placed successfully. And you can see here below here, currently we are seeing tracking. Earlier it was accept order or reject order. Once I click on tracking details, it will show me entire thing. Download label, download agent slip. Here we are seeing there is no activity found in our DB, please have some patience, it will update soon. Means you will see the entire tracking like we see on Amazon or Flipkart. Item picked, out for delivery, item taken from you, item out for delivery to your customer location. You will see entire thing here. But before that, when you are delivering item locally, you won't see label or agent slip. But when you're delivering item nationally, I mean to different cities, you will see label. Label is something which you need to paste on the package. This you need to paste on package so that they can deliver item to customer's location. Agent slip is something the person who will come to pick up the order they will sign here from the Shadowfax guy. So this is agent slip. So you will see the entire activity here. Mind it, before the delivery guy picks up the order from you, picks up the shipment from you, you can cancel the order or cancel shipment and the amount will be refunded back to your wallet. But once the delivery guy has picked your order, there is no option to cancel the shipment. If you cancel the shipment by calling us or by supporting the My Business support team, you will receive your item, but you will not receive the amount. So in this case, the delivery boy is not assigned, as well as he didn't come to my location to pick up my order. So I'm clicking on cancel shipment. Are you sure you want to cancel this shipment? You will not be able to ship this order via delivery partner. You need to deliver this order manually. Shipment amount will be refunded back to your wallet. Once I click on cancel, after that, for this particular order, I cannot ship via delivery partner. I need to ship it manually by myself. But for another order, I can do it easily with the delivery partner option. So once I click on cancel shipment, it will cancel the entire thing, and once I open my recent order, it will show me accepted. Now I need to do this manually. Once I go to tools, if I go to my wallet, you can see here 39 rupees was deducted for my order 1616, and once I cancel the order, so the amount has been credited back to my account. So it was 1616. If I go to my order, you can check here, the order number is 1616. So this is the entire flow how delivery partner works.